welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about finding duplication within a range using a simple Excel function. Let us discuss a basic understanding of a formula called match. Match Excel function is very similar to VLOOKUP. I can guide you through a basic understanding of a VLOOKUP and also match equal to VLOOKUP tab lookup value and a simple range. I'm locking the range, comma. Currently we are in single range, selecting one, comma. We need exact match, so we are selecting false or zero. Control enter. So it fill down, so we'll get a result of VLOOKUP. The major difference between match function and VLOOKUP function is VLOOKUP will generate lookup values like what you are seeing now. Match function will produce the position number of the lookup value. So I'll show you the match function equal to match tab the same lookup value as we do it in VLOOKUP, comma the range. I'm selecting a range. In match function, we have to select a single range. Like VLOOKUP, we can't select multiple range. One major difference between match function and VLOOKUP, comma, exact match 0. We will discuss about the -1 in the future videos. Now I'm selecting 0, comma, enter. Now we are getting the position number. In this particular range, the word called north, it's in first position. If we fill the match function across the range, it will show you the position number of the range. You can see a repetition of the numbers. So how do we list down the duplicates? Let's try it out a sequence mismatch with any comparison. Now we'll give a unique number across the range, 24 cells in this range. We can compare the match function and the unique number with either we can use equal to like this, or we can use a function called exact. Exact function will match two variables and compare whether it is matching or not. Control enter. Now I'm filling the data. Now if you could see, all the trues are unique and in between the range you could see false. So if we filter the false, so these are the duplicate values. If you could see here, we are in the 11th row. The match function, we already have the word called north in the first position and the unique number in the sequence of 10. So when it is mismatching 1 is to 10, it is showing as false. This is an easy method of finding out the duplicates. The reason behind to share this scenario is sometimes the conditional format functionality may slow down the Excel file when we use it in a large data set. So this is an alternative method to identify the duplicates within a range. I hope this video is useful. I'll share another scenario soon. Thank you so much.